This is the AI News Flash for February 17th, 9 p.m. UTC. First up, the Pentagon is scaling an AI-powered task management system called JETMS to over 150,000 daily users. The system will automate the full task lifecycle, from intake and classification to drafting, routing, and response generation, all built on a multi-tenant cloud architecture. Current workflows are fragmented across legacy systems, email, and manual trackers, leaving leadership without real-time visibility into workloads. Proposals are due March 9th, and notably the Pentagon is retaining unlimited data rights to prevent vendor lock-in. And next, JPMorgan analysts warn that rising AI investment costs could push smaller banks into mergers. As AI becomes embedded in compliance, risk management, and payment infrastructure, larger banks with bigger budgets gain a structural advantage. A PIWMNTS report found that 46.7% of enterprises cite deployment costs as their primary AI adoption concern. TD Bank implemented 75 AI use cases last year, while Bank of America cut complex inquiry response times from 1 hour to seconds, highlighting the widening gap. In business model news, AI is fundamentally reshaping SaaS pricing, moving the industry from per-seat subscriptions to consumption-based models. As AI agents automate tasks that previously required employees, charging per user makes less economic sense. IDC estimates that by 2028, roughly 70% of vendors will shift to consumption or outcome-based pricing, making pure seat-based pricing obsolete. However, consumption pricing introduces revenue volatility that could compress valuations built on predictable recurring revenue. And finally, Stanford's Human-Centered AI Institute has highlighted a critical gap in how nations define AI sovereignty. Countries worldwide are racing to assert control over their AI futures, but without shared definitions, coordinated policy remains difficult. The ambiguity affects not only regulatory consistency, but also fair competition frameworks and security protocols. As AI governance expands rapidly across nations, the report argues that terminological alignment is a prerequisite for meaningful international cooperation. That's all for this AI News Flash.